Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 18th of November, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You will want to be aware of any significant updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading choices by trying our new AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has classified SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.65. Now, let's examine the performance of the ETF during this time frame. The ETF has undergone natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 2%. This equates to an average return of 0.2% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a subtle upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth within this trend is likely. Analyzing the 3-month trend, we can anticipate a potential change of approximately 7.7% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from around 4.14% to 9.55%. Looking ahead to the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 26.35% over the next year, with potential returns between 19.12% and 29.16%. This translates to a projected price range of approximately $700.62 to $759.66 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF reveals that it experienced a positive movement on Monday, gaining 0.41%. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 18th of November, 2024, the SPY ETF price increased from $585.78 to $588.18. During this trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 0.709%, reaching a low of $585.34 and a high of $589.49. Notably, the price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an increase of 3.23% over the past 2 weeks. However, trading volume fell by 33 million shares, with a total of 31 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $18.29 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence, serving as a potential early warning for changes in the upcoming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $600.17, while the lowest was $450.53. Currently, the price stands 2% or $11.99 below the 52-week high of $600.17, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Today, the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 closed higher, suggesting optimism among investors in the market. This positive sentiment is further supported by Morgan Stanley's strategic shift to a bullish outlook, projecting a potential gain of 10% for the S&P 500, driven by recent favorable economic conditions following Donald Trump's re-election. However, market dynamics remain mixed as early trading showed a tentative start amid concerns around upcoming earnings reports from major players like Nvidia and Walmart. Investors are particularly focused on these earnings to gauge future market performance, with Nvidia's anticipated results expected to steer sentiment in the technology sector. In addition, First Trust has launched a new exchange-traded fund designed to provide returns tied to SPY, reflecting an increasing interest in products linked to the S&P 500. This could enhance liquidity and trading volume in SPY. particularly among investors looking for structured ways to participate in market gains without excessive risk. Overall, while the short-term outlook for SPY remains buoyed by bullish forecasts, coupled with strong earnings reports, lingering concerns about market valuations indicate a careful approach going forward. Long-term prospects will depend on sustaining this momentum and the broader economic indicators that could influence earnings in subsequent quarters. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF currently holds a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal indicated by the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the ETF continue to rise, it is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $594.03. Conversely, in the event of a decline, support is anticipated from the long-term average at around $581.21. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would signal a sell. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning. Close monitoring of the ETF is advised. Some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 11, 2024, indicating a decline of 1.76% thus far. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 73 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 247 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. F finds support from accumulated volume at 570.98, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered quite low. During the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of 4.15 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 0.709%. Over the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 0.84%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $591.05. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, SPY faces its first support level at $570.98. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $565.08, reflecting a decline of 3.93%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which contributes to its minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? The SPY ETF displays several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy opportunity. At this point, it is more appropriate to view it as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Following our analysis of the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 19th of November, we anticipate that the SPY will open lower by 51 cents and begin trading at $587.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.